Nearly 15 months after the Titan submersible began its doomed journey to the bottom of the ocean, today the U.S. Coast Guard will begin the first public hearings as part of their investigation into what caused the tragedy.
This is one of the most complex investigations that I've ever been involved with.
Titan was on an expedition to explore the wreck of the Titanic in June of 2023, when all contact was lost less than 2 hours into its dive. The extensive international search for the vessel and the 5 men on board captivated the world's attention.
And let's get right to the story the whole world is watching, the urgent search for a missing submersible.
4 days later, the remains of the Titan were discovered on the sea floor using a remotely operated vehicle, roughly 1,600 feet from the bow of the Titanic. Officials said the submersible suffered a catastrophic implosion during its underwater descent, killing all 5 passengers.
It is a difficult day for all of us, and it's especially difficult for the families.
The Coast Guard says the purpose of the hearing, which will involve witnesses from all over the world, is to uncover the facts of what happened and make recommendations for future deep-sea explorations.
If there's any detection of a criminal act, we would make a recommendation to the Department of Justice.
The mini-sub was discovered at a depth of more than 2.5 miles, where the pressure is hundreds of times greater than it is on the surface. OceanGate, the Seattle-based company that built the submersible, was heavily criticized over its lack of testing and use of experimental materials. Titanic director James Cameron criticized the sub's design.
The collective we didn't remember the lesson of Titanic. These guys at OceanGate didn't, because the arrogance and the hubris that sent that ship to its doom is exactly the same thing that sent those people in that sub to their fate.
One of the men killed in the sub, Stockton Rush, the founder of OceanGate, addressed those concerns in 2022.
I've broken some rules to make this. I think I've broken them with logic and good engineering behind me. The carbon fiber and titanium, there's a rule you don't do that. Well, I did.
There are still so many unanswered questions in this case. The hearings will include a whole spectrum of former employees, scientists, and experts. One big unknown, if there's any indication the passengers were aware the dive was going wrong. The sub actually had a text message communication system on board, but it's still unclear if any of those logs, guys, are out there and available, and whether we'll see what happens.
Maybe we'll hear about that at the hearing. All right, Stephanie, thank you.